Okay, students, so we are in here looking at the bubble sort code. This code is going to sort as, an array of integer numbers. And when it sorts this array of integer numbers, it's going to ask you how many numbers you want to sort. Then it's going to read them, it's going to add them into the array, and then it's going to sort them. Okay? Now, I have placed a stop sign in here so that we can see the array being sorted, because it's always fun to look at how things are being done in memory. But more than anything, I wrote it so that when the array is being sorted, is printing it on each iteration so that you can see how it's being sorted. Okay, so that's one of the features of this code. Now, this code is just a nested loop, something that you have done since 1.11. So I am not going to go over it, but you will find this code in Laulima. So you're able to download it and play around with it, okay? What I want to show you more than anything is how this code actually runs. So I'm going to compile it first. I'm going to get the canvas out, and I am going to run it in debugging mode so that we can see it running. Okay, so it will start here by asking me how many numbers I want to sort. So I'm going to say that I want to sort 6 numbers. So let me go back in here and say 6 numbers. Okay, so I'm going to be adding my numbers. Notice all the variables being created, and my array is already here, is created, and it's going to be waiting for the numbers to come in. So I'm going to move my array right in here so I can see it grow. Now, as you know, when an array is created, if nothing is in there yet, everything's zeros. So I know I created an array of size 6 because I said at the beginning that I wanted to sort 6 numbers. So I'm going to add the number 78. So here it is, and as I put it here, it appears right there. And I'm going to add the number 99 and the number 37. Oh, I said 37. 37, the number 11, the number 44, and last, the number 82. Okay, so there they go. And now it has stopped here, right, to begin the work. So I am going to just continue playing here. My delay now is 0.6 seconds, but I am going to make it 1 second so that we can see things happening. Because this is a little tedious, because bubble sort is not the most efficient one. If it gets tiresome, I'm just going to speed it because it has happened to me before. So I know that in order to exchange variables, I'm going to need a temporary variable to hold the value when I do exchange. So I'm going to put temp right in there. And it is because I cannot just exchange. I need to move it around, right? You know that because you have already taken 1.11. So let's then continue working. You're going to see printing the array, and you are going to see everything in here, and it's moving a little slow, so I'm going to delay a little less. So let's go in here. So it moves slightly faster. So it's going to begin the sorting. Look at the bottom of the screen. It's sorting, it's printing, right? The very first pass and so on. So it begins the sorting. Look at the numbers in here as they move, as they are being accessed, they get read, and then the number changes the temp as it's being exchanged. So you can see the movement happening here in memory, but you also see it as it's writing the next and next pass of the array. This is really interesting. I love to see the work being done by the computer. I just program it and then the computer does it, which is great. I don't want to be doing it. So I'm going to go even faster because, as I said, this is a slow algorithm, but it's actually the best one to teach sorting in ICS 1.11. Okay, and there you go. The problem has been solved and the sorting has taken place.